Hey guys, my name is Ryan Zorneman. I wanted to take a quick minute to talk about Chris Craddock and the REI Revive program and how absolutely amazing he is and also his program is. I started with him end of June this year. It's now mid-October. Basically, since then, learned how to do things the right way, working with a great partner in the market. We have about 8 listings so far out of the program, and that just kind of continues to grow exponentially. And honestly, right now, I'm actually only paying myself with the money that comes out of those referrals for now in our company to keep putting the rest in from all the other deals we do and things like that so that we can grow exponentially. So first, Chris is just an amazing guy that just cares about everybody and will give you the time of day, and he'll text you when you need him to, and he'll get on calls with you and stuff like that, and he'll train your partners for you and things like he's just a great go-giver dude. And the other thing is the program is just phenomenal in the sense that it's set up step by step and process wise for you to go and just be successful and make sure that those dead leads that you have in your system, you're getting paid on when you can. And so it's just been a big money maker that we never would have gotten any of those funds. So highly recommend. So thanks, Chris, and all the people over there at Wholesaling Inc.